Let me show you this cute drawing robot. He can draw up to 150 adorable pictures, and it's very easy for a kid to operate, and they can have hours of fun. It also comes with charging cable that you can charge here. It comes with 5 drawing pen where you gotta put it here. Those are 12 colored markers, but you cannot put it here. It doesn't fit, so I think it's just for a painting. And those are the cars that you are going to insert in the robot, so you are separated by food, fruits, animals, transportation. Here more food, household goods, and plants. My kids' favorite are the animals. Look, they are super cute. Let's try the hippo. So you just have to turn on, press, and hold this button here. You just insert what you want. In this right here, she's gonna say, hippo, I forgot to put the pen like this. And as you start drawing, you just press the button in the middle. So let's see, let's start drawing. So this is the fun result of the hippo. It took around 2 minutes to finish, and in the back of the card you can also see the step-by-step instructions on how to draw yourself. He plays music while he is drawing. You can mute the music or you can change the next music. Press this button. As you can see here, there are many pictures to choose from. I really recommend this toy for hours of fun.